Hello, we're My Holiday Caravan and we're here looking at Haven's Indulgence Gold Static Caravan. The Indulgence Static Caravan is Haven's best of the best. It offers a high-end modern interior living room, a high specification kitchen. I swear with every static caravan we see, the kitchens just get bigger and better every time. This one is a 2-bedroom. It offers a large master bedroom plus a spare with 2 single beds. And then in here, as you can see, this is a really spacious master bedroom. You have a large double bed. This one comes with the option of a dresser and you have an ensuite. Imagine spending your summer evenings on this balcony overlooking this view. For more information, don't forget to like and subscribe on My Holiday Caravan video page.